Hey everyone, it's Brandon here. Thanks a lot for watching me and my channel. I really love giving you this content on basically the most simple and best trading strategy you could ever have. This is my power momentum strategy. Been using it for over a dozen years. I've traded, I've swing traded, I've day traded, I've position traded, I've held long term, I've done options, I've tried it every type of system you can imagine. I've been mentored by amazing day traders and traders, and this system I learned a long time ago from a world champion, multiple time world champion trader, and over time, over and over and over, this is just the best and simplest and easiest system I've ever used. And it's worked for me for thousands of trades, good positions. It's kept me out of trouble. And I've just decided that, you know what, I'm done with all this other stuff. I'm basically just sticking to this system for the most part. And so using this system, I've got three amazing stocks. These are the three picks that I've got that I think are ready to go. And basically just a quick recap of the system. It's very easy. We look for the momentum in the stock, and that's that the stock price is over the 200-day moving average. B, we then are looking for our confirmation. And the confirmation is just basically that this blue 50-day moving average is over this red 100-day moving average. So we've got the 200-day moving average in purple, and the stock price is above that. And check. And then we've got this blue moving average. And if you look real closely at Google, it just crossed over, like literally today. Literally today. And it recently, in the last week, Google, the price got back over the 200-day moving average. So literally this is a hot stock. Like right now, the system is saying, this is a buy. We're in the early phases of this run. So literally right now, we've got Google just pretty much today with the 50-day moving average just crossing over the 100-day moving average. And we've got the 200-day moving average now under the stock price. Everything's confirmed. These green Keltner channels kind of give you the timing. So when a stock's in the middle of this green Keltner channel, for example, this dotted line right here is a 20-day moving average. That's kind of where the stock price likes to go to. It's like a magnet. So when it's right there, it's probably a nice fair buy. When it's above it, it's maybe a little pricey. And when it's below, it might be a little bit of a bargain, but weak. And so, you know, when you're well above this Keltner channel, that's kind of an indicator that it's not a time to add or buy, or maybe even it's a time to trim. For example, back in February, Google was at $205. It was poking its head above this Keltner channel. Would have been a time to hold off or maybe even trim. And then it gapped down. And then it just got weak and weak and weak. The price went below the 200-day moving average. And then it just was weak. It finally recovered. And it took all this time. Kind of got above its 200, went back down, and boom. It's above the 200-day moving average. Kind of steady. And then finally, it lost its confirmation. Finally, this 50-day has crossed over the 100-day. And the price is above this 20-day moving average. So everything's lined up for this to be pretty strong. It's a fair buy now. It's in the Keltner channel, so it could be something that I'm looking at to buy right now. I think I probably will.